Welcome to this video of the series, The Effective Professional 101, where we will discuss the tips and techniques to make you an effective professional. In this video, we'll talk about how you can build your network. Now, it is essential in whichever field you are that you know more people. Now, as much as I hate hearing this, it is the truth that it matters more who you know as compared to what you know. So sometime down the line, as you grow in your career, if you want to grow further, what you know will become less relevant as compared to who are the people you're in touch with. And so it is absolutely important, irrespective of which stage of your career you are in, that you start investing in building your network. Now, how can you do this? This is what the video is about. Number one, make a LinkedIn profile. When you make a LinkedIn profile, a LinkedIn is a professional network. So like Facebook is for friends, LinkedIn is for professionals who connect. But why is LinkedIn so important? Number one, on LinkedIn at present, when we're making this video in 2019, the organic reach is the fastest as compared to any other social media platform. So in LinkedIn, when anybody presses like, most of their connections can see that a person has liked a particular post, and that is why if I post something and somebody likes it, then most of the connections can see that they've liked that post. So number one, make a LinkedIn profile. If you already have one, ensure that you post regularly. It could be a news article related to your industry. It could be a thought that you have in your head. It could be a blog you wrote, anything, but post on LinkedIn. Number two, keep your elevator pitch ready. Now, what is an elevator pitch? Elevator pitch is, can you describe what you do in 30 seconds? What you do and how you can help me in 30 seconds. Make multiple elevator pitches, practice it. Initially, when I had heard of this concept, I was like, all right, why will I need to present myself in just 30 seconds? But when I went to networking events, when I met a lot of people, I realized that when people are meeting a lot of people, they don't have the time to listen to what you do. And for that, you need to be able to quickly summarize what you do in 30 seconds and make sure that they remember it. If you need me to make a video on how to craft an elevator pitch, let me know in the comment section below and I will take up a specific video about that. Number three, when you're meeting people and you're saving their contact, at that point in time, there is a little note section in your contact. In that note section, write down about them something that they've shared with you. So for example, if I meet somebody on the flight, a lawyer that I met recently, in the note section I wrote, oh, this person is a lawyer since 1994. He's a daughter who's in class 5. The daughter's name is this and he lives in this part of town. When I wrote this, if I need to get in touch with him again after 4 months, I can begin with, hey, how's your daughter? How is she doing now? She must have graduated this class, and how's that? I have some string of conversation to get back to him. And that is why the way you save contacts is essential. In the notes, right when you're meeting people, write down in the contact notes some things that you learned about them. Finally, go to as many communities and meetings as possible and throw yourself out there. It could be Toastmasters, it could be BNI, Business Network International, it could be any other networking platform. Go there, talk to more people, share your business card, give you elevator pitch, get connected to more people, ensure that as many people as possible know you and you know them. So in your professional community, find out if there are any community meetings, any groups, etc., any groups in your city which meet, go to meetup.com, try to go out there and meet as many people as you can. These are a few tips on how you can start building your network. I'll see you in the next video.